Hello students, today we will know about textiles fibers. What do you know about textiles fiber? So first we will know what is a fiber. Fiber are the fundamental units used in the fabrications of textiles, yarns and fabrics. Fibers may occur from natural sources or they may be man-made. Natural fibers are subject of lack of uniformity due to the weather conditions, nutrition or soil fertility and diseases. In fiber, it is classified into two groups. One is a filament fiber and staple fiber. Filament fiber, these are of a continuous length measurable in yards or meters. The only natural occurring filament fiber is silk. Staple fiber. The second classes of a fiber is a staple fiber. These are short in length, measuring in inches and range from 3/4 of an inch to 18 inches in length. All natural fibers except silk are staple fibers. Fiber properties. We'll study about fiber properties. A serviceable fabric is one which is properly designed for intent use or end use. To make such as fabric, the manufacturer chooses fibers, yarns, weaves and finishes with a combination of properties which will give the types of serviceability the consumer wants. The first properties of a fiber is a physical property. In this physical property, structure of a fiber includes length, diameter, surface, contour, crimp and shapes are seen. This property helps determine the roughness, smoothness, softness and soil resistance of a fabric. Second property is a crimp. This refers to the waves or bends that occur along the length of the fiber. The only one fiber which has a natural crimp is wool. Next property is a luster. Luster is nothing but shine, sheen or a brightness of a fiber. It's caused by reflection of light. Next is strength. Its ability to resist strain and stress. Some fiber gains strength when wet, such as cotton, and some loses strength such as silk, wool, etc. And next property is abrasion. Abrasion resistance. To withstand the rubbing or abrasion, it gets in everyday use. Cohesiveness. Cohesiveness is a next property. It is the ability of fibers to clinch together. And pliability and flexibility. It is a case of bending and shaping. Pliable fiber are easily twisted to make yarn. And elasticity. It means the ability of a stretched material to return immediately to its original size. Next property is the resiliency. It is the ability of a fiber or fabric to recover over a period of a time from deformation such as stretching, compressing, bending or twisting. And next it is stability. In this property we have to check the retentions of a size, shape or form of a fiber. And next one, absorbency. To take up a moisture from hair under standard condition of temperature and humidity. These are the properties of a fiber. Now let us study about the kinds of fiber. Fibers are classified into two. One is natural fiber and another one is a man-made fiber. Under natural fiber, there are two categories of natural fiber. One is cellulose fiber and protein fiber. Under man-made fiber, we can see only a synthesized fibers. Now let us study what are the natural cellulose fiber and protein fiber. Natural of cellulose fibers are cotton, flax, linen, jute, hemp and ramie. These are the natural cellulose fiber. In that cotton, cotton contains 91% of cellulose, and all the cellulose are the molecules of oxygen, hydrogen and carbon. The next one, it's a protein fiber. Protein fibers are silk and wool, and it is mineral fiber. In mineral fiber, we can see the one mineral fiber, it is asbestos. And coming to the man-made fibers are polyester, rayon, nylon, dacron, teflon, viscose and all other synthetic fibers are man-made fibers. Now we will study about the physical appearance of fibers. In the first column you can see the fiber contained, and next it is the texture, feel, length and luster. First fiber, it is a cotton fiber. So cotton is very cool to touch and feels soft and inelastic. The length of the cotton fiber, it's about 1.5 centimeter to 5 centimeter naturally. And luster, it's not much, having a natural luster. The next fiber, it is a linen. Linen is cool to touch and smooth and has a leathery feel. And the length of the linen fiber, it's about 30 centimeter to 50 centimeter naturally. And it has very high luster. And next fiber, it's a wool fiber. Wool is warm to touch and feels elastic and springy. So wool is the only one fiber having a natural cream and its property having a elastic in nature. And length of the wool fiber, it's about 5 centimeter to 20 centimeter. And wool fiber has no luster. And next fiber is a silk fiber. Silk, when we touch, we feel warm, smooth and elastic. And naturally, silk has 300 meters to 600 meters of length. And silk is only one natural fiber having good natural luster. And next, rayon. Rayon is a man-made fiber, and when we touch rayon fabric, we feel cool, smooth and it is elastic and generally like the body of the silk. And length of the rayon can be made into any length. And luster, we can bring it to bright, semi-bright or dull lusters. And the last one, nylon. Nylon, very smooth, light in weight, elastic, it is quite resilient and good dripping quality it has. Length, it can also be made into any length. And the luster, we can achieve a bright luster, semi-bright or dull luster in nature. So these are the physical appearance of silk. Now, after knowing about the fibers, so from fibers we should know, so what is the process of next? Next, many fibers, when we join together and when we twist together, we form yarn. So from fiber to yarn, and yarn is the final product where we use the thread to construct the garments. These textile fibers, we studied about the introduction of a fiber, classification of a fiber, kinds of a fiber, properties and physical appearance of the fiber. Yes. Thank you.